Okay, once again I'm at the High Country small stream, and I'm gonna get started using this new wading stuff. It's not actually just for a wading, but I got the new one, which is the carbon based. And I hear stories about carbons, they tend to split, but we'll see how it goes. And on top of that, I'm quite excited to try out the new spoon, which is called the Swinger. It's got 2 hooks. There's one on the belly as well. So we'll see how we go. Nope. Nope, that's not how it's supposed to swim. Oh, sugar. Jeez, I'll put on the new hook and this sticky shark. Dang, they're good. That's better. Oh, there's some chase. That's good to see. Wow, right from the get-go. Looks promising, but no second chance, eh? That's okay. Come onto the surface. That's better. Oh yeah. That was a good hit, going for it. Promising, promising. No fishy there. No. That's all right. Yep. Definitely worked. Nope. Yes. First fishy. Hang on, hang on, hang on. No, no, no. Oh, okay. Thank you. Unhooked itself. And unhook the lure. And here it is. Tiny, yeah, but beautiful brown trout. Thank you. Nice, nice. Ah. Yep. Another fishy. Yep. Nope. Yes. Nope. Yep. Okay. Beautiful. String is definitely working. Right. Another tiny one. Does the job. Thank you. So nimble. Spook one. Dragonfly, good sign. Ooh. Hang on. There's a fish everywhere here. Yep, nope. That was a good bite. Maybe I scared it off. Nope, there is a fish, I can see it. Just want to go up to the surface. Yep. Rainbow this time. Nice. Ooh. Come on now. Oh. I spotted out. It was out. Beautiful rainbow. Rainbow. Yep. Thank you. So, if I pull the lure on the surface, not interested. Gotta let it sink down to where they are, and they come biting. That's good. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Not enough tension. Try it again. Nope. Okay, there's gotta be a fish there, right? There was about 2 that I could see. No. No more chaser. It's better. Yep. No. 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 Look at it. Look at all the fish. That was great. Wow, they already learned that. No second time. No. Well, let's see if I can entice them with a different lure. More of the grub-like figure. Might do the trick, might not. Yep. Keep the tension. Maybe I have to jump in. Hello. Hello. Literally, thanks for coming. Still going. Wow. All good. Caught one with the kurokawamushi, that's good. It works. Okay, see ya. Actually, kurokawamushi is just the right kind of lure for a quite still water like this, so I can twitch it and let it sink again. Twitch sink, twitch sink. Maybe I should change it. Change it over to minnow this time for a change, hey? I'm on and off with 35, I think it was. And sort of like a grubby kind of pattern. I'll give that one a go. I got carried away. Forgot about the temperature. 21 degrees. Water. Yep. No. Fish is everywhere, but they don't want to bite onto it. Yes, tension, no tension. Hook not sharp, I don't know. Sticky sharp.